Hello there! You're listening to the Pinoy MCU Fan, a bunk collective Filipino podcast where I get to talk about everything and anything Marvel Cinematic Universe. I'm your host, Jim. Hi everyone! Welcome back to the Pinoy MCU Fan podcast. Grabe, ang tagal-tagal. Ang tagal-tagal ko na naman. Ang tagal-tagal ko na naman nag-release ng episode, but I am back for the annual Valentine's Day episode with our special guest. Special guest, hello. Are you
Hi
there?
guys, it's been a long time. It's me again, Jeriel.
Yeah, he's Gerald and I'm Jim, your host of the Pinoy MC. If you guys forgot, I'm still here. Ewan ko, ba't nga ba ako na-delay? I don't know. Life happened. But anyway,
Life's been busy.
yeah, it's been like crazy busy. But ito talaga nagpapabalik sa akin sa podcast, ang ating annual ang ating annual Valentine's Day episode. Tapos mawawala na naman ako ng ilang buwan. Charot. Pero pero anyway, as per our episode
Agreement.
title, as per our agreement, as per our episode title, Deadpool and Wolverine themed kasi I don't know, ayun yung pinaka-latest na duo natin in the MCU, right? So, we have that right here. And speaking of Deadpool, I owe you guys an episode talking about Deadpool and Wolverine. But then, again, life got busy. So now, I am trying to catch up. So, speaking of, what are your thoughts? Your thoughts on Deadpool and Wolverine that came out and kailan malumabas? Ng July 2024, last year. Ikaw na mauna, Jeril.
Ganun na siya katagal.
Grabe, no? Parang ang tagal ng 6 months. Feeling ko nga 3 years na lumipas. My God. I kind of forgot, like,
Alam ko 2 years
some
ago
of
na
it.
yung movie.
I kind of forgot some of it. No, but right now, ikaw nga muna mauna ba nag-iisip ako? Dali, dali.
So for me,
General thoughts.
general thoughts,
Yeah.
it was kind of fast. Mabilis yung pacing yung movie, pero they kept it on a pace where everything na gusto ng audience to happen, magpakita or something, most of them are there. Like, I
Yeah.
mean, the element of surprise is there. Pero, ewan ko so ang gagaling ng mata ng iba, they found out yung glitches sa animations,
Oh,
especially sa bus
damn.
scene.
Okay. Yeah, I really
Sa
hated
bus
that
scene.
part.
Actually, yun lang yung
Okay.
medyo,
I'm not even gonna
um,
lie.
ano rin, yun yung medyo hindi ko siya nagustuhan doon sa movie. There are, parang, the animation was rushed kasi halata alam mo siyang alam mong pinatong siya. Nakapatong lang yung animation, yung characters ni
Yeah,
Wolverine dun
it
sa
was
scene.
it was Wolverine. Yeah, actually, if I remember correctly, I really hated that part kasi ang ganda nung pagkalabas nila sa likod ng
Oo.
bus. But then they took that
Yung
shot a little bit
naka-pose sila.
longer and then oo
Oo.
naka-pose sila nakalabas. They took the shot a little bit longer so parang nag-register sa mata ko na ay wait, that's not the actor, the real life actor, Hugh Jackman. It looks like
Mm.
a CGI. And then yung part na nakatayo sila, halatang background na green screen lang yon na pinatong yung actual na
Standing scene
actor.
nila.
Oo, actual na actor na Deadpool. Kasi nga he has to do his lines and he's acting. Tapos si Wolverine nakatayo lang. Pero yung nakatayong Wolverine, CGI, sobrang CGI, grabe. Medyo naano ako dun like, okay, this kind of took me out of the movie for like a good 10
Mm.
seconds. It
Tas
was,
parang, 'di ba, yung swords ni Deadpool tumatama sa hands or sa claws ni Wolverine. 'Pag chineck yung animations, kita daw siya, eh,
I
which
didn't
is,
even notice that.
nakita ko lang sa TikTok. Tapos
Yeah.
nung naging available na siya sa Disney Plus, parang nakakita ko rin ata. I don't know if na-fix na yun. Anyway, parang nasa isip ko nun, maybe they did record yung actors individually, tas pinatong na lang. Parang
Yeah.
kaya nagkaroon ng mash-up between yung blades and claws kasi nga para magkahiwalay silang nilagay, hindi sila ni-record at the same time na posing together.
Mm-hmm.
Siguro one of them got busy, hindi nagsabay. So parang they just took the easy way out na let's just CGI them both in. I mean, maganda pa rin naman. To the naked eye, it's not very visible. Pero kung talagang very meticulous ka, kita mo siya. Ako nung mina-mention lang sa reviews, ano ko una ko nakita, "Oh, the CGI is bad." Gumanon. So, naghanap ako ta's biglang unang pop-up is yung blades nga nila nagko-collide, parang tumatagos yung blades ni Deadpool sa claws ni Wolverine.
Yeah. Okay, well, but like
Biglang
good
naman.
things, like other good
Good
things. You
things.
didn't say any good things. You just went
I did
to
say
bad
good
CGI.
things, sabi ko na kanina. Sabi ko yung good things nga, yung pacing niya, it was good to the point na,
They kept the
uh
pacing up. Like it doesn't go down. Like the
yeah,
vibe.
it doesn't go down. Goods yung element of surprise, no one expected. Actually, hindi ko naman ine-expect si, ano name nun, si
Electra?
Channing,
Oh, si
na
Gambit.
si Gambit. Si Elektra expected ko nandun kasi ewan ko nakita ko yung, ewan hindi siya taking spoilers pero parang mga fan
She popped
something.
up her name. What's her name? Jennifer Garner. Her name popped up like when you search Deadpool and Wolverine.
Actually, hindi ko naman pero
Kahit sa Apple TV or like yung mga sa Google pag ano, biglang lumabas yung pangalan niya dun. So that's like I think that's how people kind of had an idea like why is her name here? Yeah. I didn't
actually
even know Blade was there.
yung si Blade, surprisingly, hindi ko talaga din in-expect. So, hindi ko na-expect si Gambit, saka si Blade, saka si Human Torch,
Oh fuck yeah.
si
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 Torch.
Johnny,
Si
si
Johnny.
Chris Evans. So, ang expected ko lang nandun si Elektra kasi nga ang daming sa TikTok, ang daming fan-made comics, hindi man comics, fan-made
Edits.
edits na like still edits na nagpi-picture lang sila kasama si Elektra. Parang wala si Gambit, si Blade, they're not in the picture. Kahit si Johnny, wala rin.
Yeah.
Kasi yun, parang the element of surprise is there talaga. So, nung nakita ko si Blade, shock.
Oh, I
Shock talaga
love
talaga.
Gambit.
Yung si Gambit,
I
oo,
love
si Channing,
Gambit. But I
si
actually
Magic
didn't
Mike.
know. I didn't know the lore behind Channing. So I had to search it up. And I'm like, oh, that's why he was making those jokes that he was not born because the movie was never made. And then,
Mm.
di ba, nung July, nung lumabas yung Deadpool and Wolverine, lumabas din yung X-Men 97. So, I binge watched the 90s the original X-Men animated series so I can prepare for X-Men 97. And Gambit there is like, he's so romantic, he's so cute. And then okay, this is spoiler alert. They fucking killed Gambit in fucking X-Men 97. So, like, just imagine the feelings that I went through. Like, I love this guy, and then they killed him off, and then I'm gonna see him on the fucking film. That was like, whoa. And to be honest, he did great. Channing did great. Even the accent, he got the accent down. Even though the people were like, "Ooh, his accent is so bad," like, bitch, that's how he's supposed to sound like. I am sorry, I said the viewer, but like, that's how he's supposed
Pero
to sound
actually
like.
parang ewan ko nung first time hearing it, it was very natural. Talaga,
Yeah,
hindi ko, ako personally, hindi ko siya na-expect na pilit.
yeah, yeah,
Parang,
yeah.
parang
True, true,
native
true. Same.
language niya siya.
Same. It's just that siguro yung
Hindi,
isip ko medyo nag-adjust lang. Kailangan ko lang mag-adjust na, ay putang ina si Channing si Magic Mike, ba't ganyan magsalita? Parang
yun
yun
nga.
yung adjustment
Ako
ko.
rin kasi nasa isip ko na, si Channing Tatum. So, my name is Niep. So, parang, yun yung nasa isip ko. So, sabi, wait, ganyan ba magsalita si Channing? Tapos, ang nasa isip ko lang talaga yung scene niya sa 2022,
I think it was
2021 Jump
20,
Street.
yeah.
Yung ano, basta yung scene lang nila doon, ni Jonah Hill. Tapos, ayun lang yung lagi ko na-imagine na
When he does
accent niya.
accents, yeah.
Oo.
Yeah, but and again, Deadpool and Wolverine is a comedy film. So like they had to border the accent into gibberish to make it
Mm.
funny. But it was not gibberish. Like if you just I mean, I don't understand Cajun accent, but like I understand the context that if you can speak Cajun, you would understand what he said. And it's not completely gibberish. And I think I don't know. I'm probably just saying this because like we also have like pidgin in like Hawaii and like people have their own like local language. So that's the same idea with like Cajun. So, di ba Cajun kasi parang is it Cajun or Creole? Parang may mix siya ng slight na French, kaya gano'n yung accent and gano'n yung ibang words. Kasi tanda ko si Gambit sa TV series, lagi niyang sinasabi, "Mon ami," gano'n, gano'n. So, parang, okey, parang pidgin lang din. So, like, yeah, ayun talaga lagi kong pinaglalaban 'pag usapang Deadpool and Wolverine na lagi nilang hine-hate comment si Channing, like, ang ganda kaya parang at saka yung ano niya, yung mga gano'n-gano'n, swoosh swoosh yung stunts niya, maganda yung stunts niya. Nabetan ko siya, actually mas maganda yung stunts niya dito nung itong Gambit na 'to kaysa sa X-Men dati. Kailan saan ba? Alam ko sa Wolverine, basta sa unang Wolverine movie dun pinakilala si Gambit. Tapos he was so forgettable in that movie. I don't even
Ewan,
basta
pero
yun.
bumagay din talaga kay
Channing Tatum
kay
bumagay
Channing
dun.
yung character ni Gambit, like,
Tsaka maganda yung pagkagawa,
comic-wise.
buti naman.
Oh,
Medyo
I mean comic accuracy-wise, sakto pati yung facial
ah,
ewan ko yung yung mukha
si
niya, fit na
siguro
fit, yung lapad ng mukha, yung katawan, like saktong-sakto
medyo
lang siya.
na-weirduhan lang ako sa ulo niya kasi 'di ba parang may I don't think it's
Parang
called a
hapit,
cowl, but like, oo, parang girl your neck. But I don't know, probably that's how the comic accurate,
hmm.
costume goes. But I feel like if he does the actual Gambit like movie, I feel like it would be cool. But I don't think the movie's gonna happen though, cause like wala pang X-Men sa MCU, papasok pa lang sila, so someone susungit si Gambit dun. So yeah, I really like that they also showed the kid from fucking X-23, si Laura. That was really nice.
Bumalik.
Yeah, she's so grown up now. And she looks exactly like herself, like with the glasses, with the shades. That's all she needs. And she's like instantly what? She's like from the Logan movie agad. Grabe, sobrang ano, parang kahit nga 'pag nire-rewatch ko siya sa Disney Plus, like, shucks, wait lang, siya ba 'to? Like, ngayon ba 'to or kinuha nila yung clip from the Logan movie? Gano'n gano'n ka-ano. I guess she still looks the same. She still looks great. Yeah. Wala na ba? I think that's all. I think that's all. No, but it was really cool and I
More
hope
of
to
them.
see more of honestly, more of Wolverine. I don't know where we're gonna see Deadpool. I don't even know. It was a good movie that they wrapped up. It's not a movie that has ganon. What do you call that? Parang continuation. Wala eh. Maganda yung pagka-wrap up ng movie eh.
Feeling ko may kulang pa. Dapat nakuha natin yung The Cavalry.
We did. Like in one scene.
Yeah, more of him,
More of lumipad nga eh. Buti nga napalipad nila si
more
Henry
Henry.
Cavill. 'Di ba lumipad siyang gano'n, at least nasulit nila yung talent fee niya. Kasi naka-harness siya. Napa-harness pa nila, 'di ba? Oh my God. Pero I don't think usually kasi 'pag nanonood tayo ng MCU movie parang, "Hala, ano next dito, ano next dito?"
Ito
Deadpool and
parang
Wolverine,
good
good
ending to a trilogy.
oo, trilogy tapos ayun,
Para siyang Guardians.
yeah, wala ng next 'yan. I mean,
I mean, yung Guardians
puwede
kasi puwede mo siyang
nilang
sundan.
puwedeng sundan, pero it's like in the movie itself na
Oo.
parang masasabi mo na, pagkatapos nito, dito tayo susunod.
Parang
Walang
si
gano'n.
Deadpool na goods na siya as is.
Oo,
So
si Deadpool
standalone, parang siguro yung character you can fit him to any movie na lang. Pero
pero
like if you want to
idadahilan na lang
continue
nila
oo.
after. Oo,
Pero
parang
if you want to continue Deadpool
ah,
as a standalone movie, parang
lalo na sobra na yung 4.
forced na siya if you make a
Parang si Thor,
4.
I'm sorry.
Ano ba yung Thor?
Parang si
Ah,
Thor.
Love and Thunder?
Yeah, medyo it feels forced, not gonna lie.
Ano ba yung pangatlo?
Ragnarok, it was really good. It was a good arch.
Kulang pa yung Ragnarok kasi may ano
It
siya, eh,
was ano
yung Ragnarok 'di ba kasi prior Infinity
prior,
War.
yeah, so they
So
had to
talagang,
like
continuation. So
extend
talagang
it, yeah.
yung Ragnarok parang kailangan talaga siya atang isingit just to make the
Connection back to
connection make
Thanos,
sense.
yeah, makes
Kasi kapag
sense.
diniretso na siya Infinity War, mawawala yung nangyari sa Sakaar ba?
Yeah, Sakaar,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yung Love and Thunder siguro yun talaga yung actual ending, yung trilogy
Actually,
dapat.
maybe, but they still planted like continuations in that. Kasi si Deadpool and Wolverine wala na eh. Kasi parang,
Yun
yun
na
nga,
yun, eh.
ni-round off, round, yeah, they just rounded up Deadpool, yung story niya. And then for Wolverine, tapos na talaga si Wolverine, like si Wolverine tapos na siya sa Logan. Yung Wolverine na nakita natin sa Deadpool and Wolverine, it's more like the character itself overall throughout the years. Like, hinabol kasi yung comic accurate na outfit. Yung outfit, tapos yung magkabalikan sila nung anak niya
Yung
na mas malaki.
nostalgia.
Oo, yung nostalgia, pero in a good way. It's really good. It's really good nostalgia. It's not like, there's a term, but I forgot. Parang forced nostalgia for the, pero this one is really good. It's a really good, yeah, it's a really wholesome movie. Hinolesome na lang, but
Wholesome
yeah,
na R-rated.
yeah. Anyway, so that's what happened in July. Actually, parang yan lang din yung big movie last year, yeah. Because, I don't know. I feel like that's the only MCU movie we had last year, if I remember correctly. That's why I was also very
Venom.
tahimik. It's not MCU, but yeah, we also wasted our money for that, guys. That's why this time for Captain America that's coming out in Valentine's Day, it's gonna be my treat. Cause for Venom, it was Gerald's treat. So, Gerald's treat. So now I'm doing Captain America as a reparations, apparently, because Venom was like really bad. And it was also my idea to watch
For us,
Venom.
it was bad for us. So
It was bad. It
we
was,
might have we guys might have different opinions about it.
yeah, I mean, it was a good movie, but like,
It was good, but the story
it
was
was
not it.
it was not it. It's like I can even feel, what's his name? The guy? The actor? I can feel him like,
Brady,
yeah, that's Tom Hardy.
Hardy,
Tom
si
Brady's
Brady.
the football
Football
guy,
quarterback.
which is happening right now, yeah, today.
So guys, since we're talking
Super Bowl.
about since we're talking about couples,
Yeah.
who are you rooting for? The Chiefs or the Eagles?
Oh damn. Which one is like Taylor Swift? Chiefs, yeah.
Chiefs, si Kelsey.
Damn. You know who I'm rooting for? I'm rooting for the halftime show. Kendrick. Team Kendrick in this house. Yeah. I hope he performs
Not like us.
all of the stars. Yeah, and of course
All
not
of
like
the
us.
stars, then Drake pops up.
No, but yeah,
Di ba Drake,
because
Drake was there sa song? Part siya ng song,
no, it
di
was
ba?
his
Ano ba yun?
all of the stars, Black
Wait,
Panther.
hindi hindi, mali pala. Pero may song
Poetic
si Kendrick.
Justice.
Poetic Justice.
You're thinking
So,
of Poetic Justice. He's not
daw,
gonna perform
sana
though.
daw i-play yung Poetic Justice and then, out of nowhere,
Drake's gonna
parang,
pop up and
oo, parang
sing.
ginawa ni Travis Scott kasama si LeBron saka si Drake. Yung sa show niya, biglang nag-pop up si LeBron saka si Drake.
Like at a concert.
At
I
a
see.
concert. Parang ganun yung gagawin. Poetic Justice
Maybe.
as out of nowhere nandun si Drake.
Oh yeah. Yo, speaking of fucking Super Bowl, because Super Bowl is a big, 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 big event, meron halftime show. That means the halftime commercials will also include
Trailers.
trailers for
Yeah.
upcoming films. So I think,
So look out for those guys.
which one? Okay, we have Captain America right now. So I don't think they would show another trailer because that's gonna be happening next weekend. But
Next
ano ba
week.
next?
Next week
Ano ba?
na. So
Ano,
Wednesday.
okay, if you're listening to this podcast, the the Captain America 4 is happening right now. So you should be watching the movie right now while listening to us. Charot. Pero yeah, right? Cuz Captain America comes out Valentine's Day
Valentine's Day US
sa
time.
US, pero sa Philippines
Asia
February
time,
February
February
12
12.
on a Wednesday. And when are we going to watch it? We're going to watch it on the weekend.
Sunday ba? Sunday, right?
Yeah,
16.
Sunday. Secret kung saan, charot. In Metro Manila. In Metro Manila. But yeah, so ano ba next? So we have February. We have in May, we have Thunderbolts with like Bucky. Oh, I miss Bucky. And then the new Black Widow, which is Yelena. And then we
Mm-hmm.
also have US Agent, which is the ugly Captain America that we had in the TV series that I was so mad about. I don't know if I did an
Captain America
episode on.
knockoff.
Yeah, the knockoff, which is Johnny Walker. And then, sino pa ba
Yung
nandun?
alak.
Ano? John Walker. Pero sino pa ba nandun? Si yung tatay nila Yelena,
The Russian guy.
the Russian guy,
Red
the Red Guardian, and
Red
then
Magic.
the Ghost, which is from Ant-Man 2. And then who else is there? I think that's all. But I really miss Bucky because I don't think we're gonna see Bucky in Captain America 4. Oh my god. But we're gonna see the new Falcon, which is I forgot his name in the character, but I do know the actor, Danny Ramirez. He's
Steve
gonna
Rogers.
he's gonna be the Falcon. Ano?
Steve Rogers. Nagbaliktad sila.
Who?
Joke lang.
What?
Steve Rogers.
Hindi. Patay na yun. Nasa mo na yun eh. Charot. Hindi pa siya patay, guys. He's probably in a senior facility somewhere. Good boy pa yun.
Ano yan?
Ayun pa.
Care home.
Nasa care home lang yun. Nandyan lang siya. Baka nga bisitahin pa siya ng Captain America.
Ang tanong doon, what if nga nadala siya sa care home, si Captain America ba nagpapatulong sa iba or siya na tumutulong dun sa mga nagge-help out din?
Kaya nga siya nasa care home para alagaan siya tapos ginawa mo naman siya nurse.
I mean, super soldier pa rin naman siya either way.
True. But he was like so skinny and like old when he gave
Siyempre,
the
tatanda
shield.
pa rin. Pero meron pa rin siya nung serum.
Yeah. So he can
Sa
like
kanya pa rin.
I don't know. He's so wrinkly though. So I don't know how
Siyempre,
that goes.
tatanda talaga.
I don't know how that goes. He's so wrinkly. Oh, but
Tatanda eh.
Sebastian Stan. I miss Bucky. Oh, good to see Bucky. Because I rewatched The Falcon and the Winter Soldier just to prepare for this, ano. Kasi pati Infinity War, tsaka Endgame, pinanood ko din. Diyos ko. Pinanood ko na nga rin Captain America 2, pati Captain America 3. Diyos ko.
So technically, pinanood mo na rin lahat.
Yeah, technically I did. Onti na lang, papanoorin ko rin yung Ant-Man. Kasi di ba nandun si Falcon, kinalaban niya si Ant-Man. Diyos ko.
Doon sa una.
Oo, sa may nanakaling sa Avengers compound. Diyos ko naman,
Panoorin mo na yung
grabe.
Civil War.
Pinanood ko na din.
Pinanood mo na ba?
Patas nga ginawa ko, inuna ko Infinity War, tapos Endgame. Tapos bumalik ako ng Captain America 3, tapos Captain America. Pabaliktad nga eh, kabubuhan.
Hindi pa
Pero it's
baliktad yun.
okay. It's
Noong
okay.
Infinity War over Endgame, tapos lumipat, hindi baliktad yun. Endgame muna.
Ano ba? But yeah, I don't think we're gonna get a trailer during the Super Bowl for Ant-Man tuloy. For Captain America, but we're definitely gonna be
Baka may
seeing
lang, short, mga
teaser uli na bago uli. Final
mga
teaser na.
lang, final
Oo.
teasers.
Pero yung Thunderbolts, makakuha na naman tayo ng bagong trailer. So, sa May na yun, my God, medyo excited ako dun. Kasi ang ganda nakalimutan ko kung sino yung nag-director, nag-cinematography. But it kind of looks good based on the trailers. I just don't like the poster for Thunderbolts. It was a Photoshop nightmare. Like, I see the vision, but like, the way that they edited it together, it was like, parang mas nakatipid sila sa effort kung lahat ng aktor na lang nandun tas nagkagulo tas pinicturan. Gets ba? Parang editorial magazine lang. Kaso sobrang heavily edited na parang, wait lang, mali yung ratio ng katawan ni Yelena kay Bucky, yung mga ganun. But I'm pretty excited. So na makakuha din tayo ng trailer uli for Fantastic Four sa Super Bowl. But I don't think so. Kasi
Baka hindi.
baka hindi. Kasi hindi pa tapos yung CGI ni
Dating?
No. The thing looks good though. Si
CGI ni
what's his name? Si Mr. Fantastic. He looks, si Reed. Hindi pa rin nila pinakita
si
si
Reed
Pedro.
Richards.
O si Pedro lang. Puro pagmumukha lang ni Pedro. Hindi pa nila pinakita na nagsistretch si Pedro. Pero,
Dapat kasi si John Krasinski na lang.
no, it's okay. I don't mind. I feel like it's okay. He doesn't, because John Krasinski doesn't look old school, if that makes sense.
More on the younger version siya, no? Ish.
Not younger, but like a new version of the 2000 Fantastic Four. Yun yung parang age niya. Kasi,
pinatandang version.
pero,
Bearded version.
oo. Yo, Johnny looks good. I mean, he came from Stranger Things and now he's there. I don't know. He's doing great. What's his name? The dude. I forgot his name. Basta si
Chris Evans.
no, not Chris Evans. The guy from Stranger Things. Basta the guy from Stranger Things is Johnny, the new Johnny. But like, I know that he looks different. He's not conventionally hot. Tama ba yun? Tama ba yung term conventionally? Convention.
Ish?
Convention? Parang,
Convention ba?
parang convection oven. Basta parang hindi siya yung matatawag mo kasing
Traditionally.
traditionally hot na like right now. Pero kasi,
Orthodox.
pero
Hindi siya
kasi ano
orthodox
siya,
na
set siya in like when was it set? 1960s,
1960.
which is that's what hot people look like back then. So like I guess it's like it matches because like dude
Time accurate.
I did time accurate Johnny Storm like yung level of hotness niya. So diba we had Chris Evans in the early 2000s. That's how hot
Mm.
people look like back then. And then in 2010s we had Michael B. Jordan. Dude, have y'all
Chef's
seen
kiss.
Michael B. Jordan? See, that's hot for our time period, like 2010. And I think naman yung mga movies na yon, nung pinalabas siya, time accurate siya, 'di ba? Like
Mm.
etong si Chris Evans may flip phone. Ayan, ay ito talaga yung time zone niya. Timeline
Timeline.
niya. Oo, tapos itong
Oo.
si 2010 Johnny Storm, naka-iPhone na sila noon, 'di ba? Oh,
So,
timeline
so
accurate
quits lang
'yon.
talaga.
So quits lang talaga na yung level of hotness is naaayon naman sa ating
Mm.
timeline. Kasi kapag malaki yung katawan ni Johnny Storm in 1960s, siya yung mapagkakamalan na thing.
Ano siya, si Arnold Schwarzenegger?
Oo, boy. Eh, 'di ba yung laki
1960s.
yung laki ng katawan ni Chris Evans noong
Bodybuilder, ano?
2010. Oo, tangina ang laki nun boy, laki ng biceps ang puta. Pero yeah, so it was they're all accurate. And honestly, Johnny, the editing looks cool.
Mm.
And I also like the thing. He looks amazing. Like he's really comic accurate. Like
Sakto nga, eh. Goods na goods yung itsura niya
yeah.
dating.
Sobrang it's I don't even read the fucking comics. Like okay, wait. I've been reading the comics over the holiday break, but I have not been reading Fantastic Four, but I do know every time
Religiously.
yeah, every time I see like comics like I do kind of find it weird na bakit ganyan yung itsura ni Ting sa comics. Pero kasi lumaki nga tayo sa The Thing na film na mas mukhang
Mm.
tao. But like understanding how comic book movies are, 'di ba? Like being the closer to the source is better and people like it and I get the hype. It looks more realistic as well. The thing
Mm.
that we have right now that's gonna come out. And I also like that he's super nice. Apparently he's actually nice in the comics too.
Very nice talaga si Dating. So, parang siya yung since 'di ba exposed sila sa blast, some ray blast,
Mm.
some radiation. Siya yung parang nicer version ni Hulk na hindi pa control ni Bruce Banner.
Yeah, I mean, cause like in the trailer, the first thing that they showed, the Fantastic Four is see the thing, and he's fucking cooking spaghetti, bro. Which is so funny because like I love the bear, which is the actor. Yung si I forgot his name. I keep forgetting names, but the actor who's playing the thing
Mm.
is also cousin in the bear, the cooking show. I mean the drama show about restaurants and an Italian sandwich shop that specializes in spaghetti. Like season 1 of the bear is about them fighting over making spaghetti sauce. And like me watching the thing played by
Mm.
the same actor cooking spaghetti sauce in the movie in the trailer,
It's
that's
like a
like
homage
yeah, it's like what the fuck am I watching? This is my multiverse. It was really cool and he was really nice because he's actually nice too
in person.
in the bear. No, in
Oh,
the
in
bear,
the
like
bear.
he's nice, but like he's very talkative and they always fight. So at first, ayun yung nakikita ko rin na, okay, siguro kaya siya yung kinuha sa The Thing. Kasi 'di ba yung portrayal ni The Thing sa mga pinapanood natin dati is laging galit, laging naaasar kay Johnny, laging madaling
I mean,
mapikon.
alam ko kahit sa comics,
Naasar talaga siya ni Johnny.
oo, maano talaga kasi si Johnny, palabiro.
Yeah, that's the thing. I think as far as I remember, like on the top of my head, whenever I remember like the Chris Evans, Chris Evans talaga yung ginawang timeline checker. Pero yun, yung mga Fantastic Four ni Chris Evans
Mm.
noon, parang wala akong masyadong maalala na dating na mabait. Yung mabait lang 'pag dun sa jowa. Tapos the rest parang lagi na lang galit, lagi naiinis. Pero he's pretty calm generally.
Low-key rin naman kasi mukhang bully si Chris Evans, Johnny dun.
Oo. Yeah, he was a brat. He was like, I think out of all of them, the three, yeah, this one, I feel like the brattiest Johnny Storm is like Chris Evans.
Mm.
I don't even remember Michael B. Jordan being that bratty, to be honest. He was just being a teenager.
Siyempre bakit
Yeah,
mo maalala si Michael B. Jordan maging bratty? Baka Michael B. Jordan yun, eh.
Jordan. Siyempre, Michael B. Jordan yun eh. Yeah. So I feel like this Johnny that we have with like the Stranger Things guy, I need to memorize their names, but the actor from Stranger Things, I feel like he's not gonna be bratty. He's more like immature, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. But so far it looks good. I just cannot wait to see Pedro and how he's gonna stretch. Because so far all their powers looks good. Maganda yung pagka CGI. So
Mm. Si Pedro lang talaga yung wala.
Pedro lang talaga ba, I don't know if they're waiting to if they're parang inaano nila. Siguro 'no, I don't think so. But like that's the first teaser trailer. You would tease the main guy too, of course, right? Kasi you wouldn't really think of Fantastic Four without the stretchy guy, which is Mr. Fantastic. So
Kaya nga Fantastic Four kasi it's
because of him, because of
Mr.
him too.
Fantastic.
Yeah, I feel like nakulangan lang sila sa CGI. Wala na hindi nila inabot yung deadline, kaya nila 'yan. Siguro kasi naman ang mga movies 'di ba, they do test screenings.
Saka oo, tama.
Baka
Yung iba
mamaya
namang scenes wala naman din talaga sa actual movie minsan, 'di ba?
oo. Pero iba kasi yung scenes kaysa sa actual na character hindi pinakita, if that
Ah,
makes
yeah,
sense.
oo.
Medyo big deal
Baka
kasi
they're
yung
making the final
oh,
final cuts pa.
adjustments pa. Pero I mean, they still have until July, so good luck everyone. And also John Malkovich is in the trailer. I don't even know since I don't know much about the Fantastic Four. So like, oh yeah, dude, we're gonna see Galactus. I
Hmm.
don't know how they're gonna.
Hopefully naman hindi siya kagaya nung quote unquote Galactus
Na
dun
kumakain ng Earth.
sa Rise of Silver Surfer. Kasi napanood ko yung bata pa lang. So alam ko yung itsura ni Galactus based sa comics. So parang na-underwhelm ako even as a child.
I don't remember what Galactus looked like in the in Chris Evans
Para siyang
Fantastic
malaking
Four.
para siyang
Parang
malaking cloud na kumakain ng para siyang bilog,
tapos
para siyang worm.
kinakausap lang ni Silver Surfer 'no?
Oo.
Oh, see. Pero ito may mukha, which is great. And I think, I don't know, I don't wanna make theories yet, but I don't know, my brain just does. I feel like
Mm.
they're gonna be using Galactus for the Fantastic Four to jump into the main 616. I don't know. But like with all these new movies, they should be able to find a way to jump them to 616, right? So the first movie that we had is Deadpool and Wolverine.
May nakita akong mga fan theories sa TikTok, parang magja-jump talaga daw sila.
Si Fantastic Four, they have to,
Oo.
right? Because they're the Fantastic Four. You cannot just put them
Parang
there.
may hindi si Galactus daw yata yung wave, basta nalimutan ko.
Okay, don't tell
Basta
me.
may jump sila. Nalimutan ko lang, di ko na
kasi
maalala.
kasi guys, 2025 na. Kailan ng Avengers uli natin? Next year na. So, medyo naghahabol na ako talaga nagplano 'no. Baka sa ako nagtatrabaho. Pero ilang movies na
Insider
lang,
ka
eh.
pala, eh.
Oo, ilang movies na lang, eh, ang iaano nila, mag-a-Avengers na uli tayo. Eh, parang wait lang, eh, 'di ba meron pa tayong na-cut off kay Shang-Chi, na-cut off din
Mm.
yung ending ng Multiverse of Madness. Tapos yung si Tiamat, tama ba basa ko? Yung sa Eternals, makikita
Oh,
naman
yeah,
natin
oo.
siya sa Captain America. So, I guess at least merong okay yung Eternals na pasunod na natin kasi si Captain
This
America,
Captain America?
oh, this Captain America, makikita nila si Tiamat dun. So, I don't know what it's gonna be about, pero at least 'di ba, nakita nila, which means okay, yung Eternals na
Mm.
storyline kung ano nangyari dun dumidiretso.
Tas kahit
Um,
papaano may
dumiretso yung iniwan
Oo,
nila.
dumiretso.
Oo, kasi 'di ba ang dami nilang iniiwan, pero ang dami na natin so far din na hindi pa tumutuloy. Yeah. So, ano kaya, paano kaya yun? Pero
We'll just find
understandable
out.
naman, and understandable naman kasi big name yung Fantastic Four. Alam mo naman di mo gagamitin yan sa Avengers. So, kailangan talaga nila maghanap ng way paano
So,
dadalhin sila
ibig
sa
sabihin
Avengers.
din, sa Avengers, since pumasok na ang Fantastic Four, big villain,
Si Doom, oh my God, oh my God,
'di ba?
oh
Kasi
my God, when I
malab
remember Doom, oh my
malabo
God.
naman na yung Fantastic Four nasa Avengers tapos ang kalaban mo reincarnated Thanos lang.
Oo nga. Easy lang yun sa kanila, shoot tangina si Thanos lang yun, eh. Pero 'pag si Doom, oh my God guys, I fucking love Doom from I haven't read his comics but like, 'cause I really love the podcast about him, like the
Mm.
podcast that they ano, Doom is actually lovable, you guys. It's actually a really great like
Kaya kaya meron siya parang hindi man cult following pero parang gano'n na
may
rin.
following siya, oo, gets ko, may following siya, and like, he also has like it's not mystic arts, it's not witchcraft, but he also has magic powers. I don't know, he got it from his mom, and he got it from like
Mm.
Latveria, wherever he came from. Yeah, he got that too,
Kaya
and
maraming ano, kapag sinabi mong si Doom, hindi nila sinasabi na, "'Di villain 'yan."
he is a villain to the F4, but like generally he's like an
Hindi, may iba kasi nga na ano,
anti-hero. He's not an anti-hero, but
villain talaga siya.
he's a villain, but like with reasons.
In his core, villain talaga. Pero kasi
He has his reasons. He has his
may
reasons.
ano 'yun, may classification siya sa siyempre sa multiverse, kung sino yung klaseng Doom.
Yeah, that thing too. I just don't know if he's like a
Feeling ko yung
multiverse
siyempre base
thing.
siguro base form.
Yeah. And like with
God Doom
Robert,
ata yun,
'di
si
ba
God
si
Doom.
tapos si Robert Downey Jr. pa. And he's growing old. The reason I
Mm.
had to like mention that because the podcast that I'm listening to is about like an old version of Doom. So I'm like, "Oh my God, are we gonna finally see Valeria Richards, like yung mga anak ni Richards?" So yun nga din, dun din ako kaya medyo na-excite ako na, "Oh my God, 1960s? 1960s yung Fantastic Four, tapos siguro after ilang years, sabihin natin in 1980s." 1980s pa. 1980s manganganak si Valeria kunwari, mga anak nila gano'n. So, parang mga kasing edad lang yan ni Tony Stark, kasing edad lang ni Natasha. Ayun, pero I think that's too much of a fan hope na. I guess that's just my hope to
Malayo-layo.
see the children, the Richard children. Kasi maganda guys
The
yung story.
Richards.
Oo, nung dumating yung mga anak nung dalawa, dumating
Baka
yun
ano,
sila
gayahin nila yung
gumanda
setting ng ano, WandaVision.
ah,
'Di ba yung WandaVision parang TV series, since ewan ko, if yung setting ng Fantastic Four is 1960s, baka if magkaroon sila ng TV show, it would be like the WandaVision para lang mag-match, gets ba?
parang yung team nung ano,
Oo,
kasi
yung
since
team
yung
lang.
palabas mo is 1960s tapos dapat
Oo,
yung team nung feel nung TV show is
1960s
1960.
ish din.
Oo. Yeah, I mean, damn, 'cause like kasi gumanda rin yung I feel like ganito yun, I feel like na gumanda rin yung storyline ni Doom sa comics nung na-introduce yung anak nga. Kasi si
Oo,
Valeria, I think pangalan siya ng ex ni Doom or something or like yung love ni Doom. Tapos nung pinanganak siya ni Sue Storm, wala kasi si Reed Richards nun, like wala siya sa labor. Alam mo kung sino nagpanganak pa dun? Si
alam ko 'yan,
Doom.
si Doom.
Si Doom pa naglabas ng bata kay Sue. Tapos
Basta kailangan
siyempre
lang daw ninong siya.
oo, ginawa siya ninong ta's siya yung nagpangalan. Kaya tawag nga ano, eh, yung podcast na pinapakinggan ko tawag ni Valeria kay Doom, "Uncle?" Gumaganon ako, "What the fuck? What the fuck is this? Akala ko ba villain 'to, bakit ninong niya?"
Ninong.
Pero yeah, it's pretty cool and then like if
Makikita talaga dun yung connection, yung
oo,
relationship ni Reed
ni
saka
Reed
ni
tsaka ni Doom.
Victor.
Oo, ni Victor Von Doom.
Yun talaga yung relationship nila. Talagang close talaga sila, sadyang iba yung beliefs.
I feel like it's like Am I allowed to say this? But like it kind of reminds me of like an MLK Malcolm X situation. Kind of like they want the same thing but like in different ways. Parang
Mm.
ganon. And then also, if we're gonna have Doomsday, are we gonna get the negative zone? Oh my god, I'm so excited. So excited because like negative zone is like the negative zone. It's a different dimension where everything is negative. That's why
Mm.
it's called negative zone. And people are
Duh.
fighting. Duh. And people are like fighting. I mean not people, but like Doom says he discovered it and then Reed says he did. Like damn, people, who then? Like probably both of them at the same time. Like I don't know. I haven't read the comics, but it's like stuff like that I kind of want to see.
They both smart anyway.
Yeah, they both were anyway. So just I don't know how it's gonna look though. Like, but it's okay because like they got Chris Evans twice, so I think Robert or DJ going back is kind of okay. But it's just that
As a different character.
yeah, it's just that Iron Man is like super
Iconic na kasi.
iconic, so it's kind of hard. Like, how are you gonna top that? Doom
Yung parang,
better
how are you
Doom
going to absorb RDJ as Doom?
Doom when people see him as Iron Man.
Mm.
Yeah. So I think it should better be the age because we never see Tony Stark age. We never
Para
see
siya
him old
para
because
siya
he
mag-age, namatay nga.
yeah, exactly. That's the point that I was gonna make because like he's already dead. So like we don't know what he looks like old. So Doom better be fucking old. So
Probably
yun
looking
din yung
like Howard.
ayun din yung pinanghahawakan ko na parang okay, shit. So, hindi nila gagawin na batang Doom 'to. So, matandang Doom 'to. Oh my God. So, baka nandiyan sila Valeria, yung mga anak niya, gano'n. Kasi parang, paano mo rin i-introduce si
If yung
Doom
matandang Doom na siya,
kung walang Reed, 'di ba?
oo.
Weird
Saka
din
if
yun,
yung
eh.
matandang Doom na, so ibig sabihin nandun na siya sa point na well accomplished na rin siya sa villainy niya.
Mhm.
So may talagang cult following na si Von Doom. May ano tawag dito, meron na siyang super team.
Yeah.
So ibig sabihin ready to fight na talaga. So parang that's something to expect din.
Yeah. But I hope they still, like, build Doom, like
Oh,
kasi
siyempre
'di ba si Thanos nga may anak, eh. Tang-ina,
na-introduce pa rin.
na-introduce pa rin na may anak. So dapat, oh my God, so dapat sa Fantastic Four meron na 'yan na parang snippet ni Doom na, I don't know what kind of snippet, but like kasi nga next year na nga kasi yung Avengers. Pero hindi ko alam kung Doomsday yung next ano ba? Nakalimutan ko na rin, eh, kasi dalawang Avengers 'yan, 'di ba? Yung Avengers 3 and then Avengers 4. Kasi nga ginagaya nila uli
Ah,
yung
ano ba yun? Doomsday
hindi
ba?
oo, kasi hindi siya parang ano, hindi siya parang ginawa ngayon na parang meron tayong Avengers 1. Tas merong Avengers Age of Ultron, tas Infinity War, tsaka Endgame. Apat yun, eh. Eto
Mm.
dalawa lang, eh. So parang medyo, wait lang guys. Ayun. So parang medyo mamadali na 'yan. Kaso nakalimutan ko kung alin yung mauna, si Doomsday ba or yeah, I forgot the original plan. My God. I think it was supposed to be the
Kang Dynasty?
Kang Dynasty, oo, tapos magiging yung it's not the Multiversal War. I forgot. Oh my God, cannot believe I forgot.
Ano
It's
yun?
called, it's not
Secret
the
Wars?
yeah, the Secret Wars. Ayun pala yung final nating, Avengers film. So, tinanggal nila si Kang Dynasty, ginawa nilang Doomsday. Eh, next year na yung Doomsday kung gano'n. I mean, naka-slate siya for May. Pero for sure, ipu-push back nila 'yan kasi, girl, ilang ilang movies pa lang. Magfa-Fantastic Four pa lang tayo, wala pang nagkakasunod, 'di ba? So, parang as usual merong delay 'yan. Tapos kailan ba ang Comic-Con? July, 'di ba?
July yata.
Yeah, Comic-Con is in July, so imo-move na naman nila 'yan. So, yeah, nagtatrabaho po talaga ako sa Marvel Studios, alam ko na yung schedule nila. But yeah, exciting 'cause we're gonna see like kasi yung sunod-sunod. nagsisimula na yung sunod-sunod, my God. Kasi 'di ba, Thunderbolts is gonna be coming after Black Widow, obviously,
Mm.
and The Falcon and the Winter Soldier, and Ant-Man too. So, meron pang Infinity Saga na naduktungan, 'di ba? Ano pa? Yeah, that's probably it. Gagi! Yung Young Avengers natin, ano na nangyayari? Tangina, ang sino sino palang tao dun, si Kamala Khan at saka si Hawkeye. Hawkeye
So,
na
kulang pa sila.
bata.
Yung anak ni Hawkeye yun, 'di ba?
Hindi si anak ni Hawkeye, si
Hindi
Hailee
ba anak ni Ben?
Steinfeld. Si ano, oh my God, I forgot her name. Yeah, basta yung the other Hawkeye. Yeah, there's 2 Hawkeyes now. Kate Bishop.
Hindi na si ay, Kate Bishop. Hindi
Yeah,
si
si Kate
Jeremy
Bi
Renner.
Yeah, 'cause he's retired. He's in the
Damn.
farm, I don't know. But yeah, so far dalawa pa lang sila. Eh, 'di ba si Shang-Chi ni-recruit din into the council or whatever nila Hulk, si Hulk lang tsaka ni Captain Marvel. So, where is that? What's
Hindi
happening with
kasama si
that?
ano, si
Si
anong pangalan
Awkwafina?
nun?
Si
Ano, Wong?
si Wong? Yeah, kasama si Wong dun sa
Ayun.
council na sabi nila. Ano yung Ten Rings mo? Nung ginamit mo biglang may tumunog. Yeah, we still don't have that. Mauuna pa yung Eternals na Tiamut na yan. Tiamut. Tiamat. Yeah, so
Kayamut.
yeah. Speaking of time, what are we thinking of Captain America? What are we expecting? I have zero expectations. I mean, I really do think it's
Um,
gonna be good. I just don't want to expect anything because I want to go in blind. I really want to go
sorry,
in
medyo
blind.
ano ako, eh, mas natutuwa ako kapag ano, mas na-excite ako kapag nakita ko siya may partial spoilers. 'Pag
I
nasa-partial
know.
spoil ako,
You're weird, that's why.
Georger.
You're weird. Yeah.
Anyway, mas gusto ko wala lang, mas na-excite ako kapag ano, hindi ko naman pinapanood lahat. Glimpse-glimpse lang kunyari may fan video na, "Uy, nakita 'tong portion na 'to," or kahit picture lang. So,
Yeah.
parang for me, that's something to
Wait.
expect.
Oh, speaking of pictures, I remember this. It was like 2 years ago or like a year ago.
Mm.
There's a picture of someone. They're at a funeral, and the girlfriend of Hulk dati na anak ni Ross, si Bethany Ross, I think that's her name, was there sa set. May pictures nila ni Captain America. I mean ni Sam Wilson, ni Anthony Mackie. So I think we're gonna see Beth again. Yay! From the Edward Norton Hulk, which is kind of a Hulk movie that we don't talk about. I kind of didn't like that movie too, but it was great. It was great though because we retained the Ross, R.I.P. to the original
Mm.
actor. But
Pinalitan niya ano,
yeah, we now how we
Ha
now have
Harrison Ford.
Harrison Ford, the fucking dude from.
Sige ano,
Wait, I'm thinking
ah,
Jumanji. It's not
anong
Jumanji.
uunahin
Wait,
mong franchise?
Indiana Jones.
Jumanji,
Indiana Jones.
'di
I
mo na
don't
inuna yung
watch
Star
Star
Wars.
Wars. I don't watch Star Wars. I tried watching it and then I was like, I have too many questions. He gave up on me. So yeah,
Hindi, you give up on yourself?
I
Sumasagot
did.
naman ako.
I will rewatch it again. Maybe after Captain America.
Wala na, the
Pero,
people are gonna
uy,
judge you.
pero natapos ko yung Indiana Jones. It was really good. It was really good. I really liked Indiana Jones.
Sasabihin ko yung point ni Amy Farrah Fowler from
Oh
The Big Bang
yeah.
Theory.
Like, did they
Indiana
really
Jones
have?
played no part
Yeah,
in the Raiders of the Lost Ark.
yeah. He's just there. He looks good, so let's give him that.
Young Harrison.
Indie.
Yes,
Yeah.
Indy.
I don't know. I feel like he's Hulk. Oh, have you seen like on social media a bunch of people? Cause 'di ba kapag ano, syempre press tour na naman, marami namang pop-up na cafe na merong
Oo.
display. Syempre si Red Hulk 'yan. So,
Alam mo kung gusto
siya
mo
na lang
talaga
i-display
ng
natin. Kaso meron daw, I don't know, I think it
Oo.
was in Japan. They did not use Red Hulk. They just used a regular Hulk and then repainted it red, which is
Cute.
wrong because like the scientist hair is different from military hair. Again, reminder, Ross is he's a military man, so he has military hair. And of course, it's Harrison Ford. So Red Hulk is supposed to look like Harrison Ford, but apparently some statues somewhere. I think it was in Japan. Yeah, it was in Japan. It looked like Mark Ruffalo Hulk that they painted red. So that's kinda, I think, hindi nila makuha yung rights sa mukha ni Harrison Ford. Charot. Pero, pero yeah, I think, yeah. Do you still remember when we last saw Ross?
Endgame.
No,
Infinity War pa ba yun?
nope.
Anong Soros?
We saw him in Black Widow.
Ah,
He was following. He was trying to
oo.
follow him. Yeah, cause before that, yeah, that's the last time. Tama, tama. Sa timeline ni Ross, ayun yung last time na nakita natin siya. Sa Black Widow. Kasi Black Widow happened after Captain America 3 and Infinity, yeah.
Hmm.
Ay, wait.
Oo nga
Mali
pala,
pala.
nakabalik na sila.
Mali, mali. Tapos, kinausap pa pala uli nung Infinity War. Yun pala yung last, Infinity War. Pero kasi sa Black Widow, nag-ano siya, ika-ika na si Ross nun. As in
Mm.
like, I don't know, he has crutches and like he cannot breathe properly or something like that. Eh, 'di ba ang story ni Red Hulk is like
May sakit.
Ross took it because he's sick, right?
Mm.
So I think that's, see, sabi sa inyo eh, Black Widow, madediretso na natin. Ayun. So, that's where we saw him. Tapos nung Infinity War, biglang umokay na siya. So like, he probably took the whatever thing that he took to be okay.
Hindi niyo ba
Yeah.
iti-take sa ano yun, Captain America pa lang or na-take niyo na kaya?
I feel like he took it after Black Widow. I think like I feel like I don't know. Probably. And then he's a president now, which is I guess great. Harrison Ford is president in the MCU. Yeah, because I don't know if people still remember Secret Wars and not Secret Wars, Secret Invasion, the TV show. It was kind of bland, but yeah, the president there was under attack. I guess it was end of his term or like he was impeached. I don't know. After that, after Secret Invasion, we have Captain America 4, which we have a new president, which is Ross, right? Yeah.
Mm.
Daming nagko-connect, tangina ng utak yan. Medyo sumasabog na pero kinakaya pa naman kasi ang dami kong alam masyado about sa MCU. So, yeah. I don't even know what's gonna happen in Captain America. It's probably some military presidential something for sure.
Propaganda.
It's not propaganda, but more like it's gonna be about politics again. Kasi politics naman yung kay Captain America nun eh. Yeah, it's all politics. Pero ito kasi, harap-harapan na politics, if that makes sense. Because yung politics dati is like Hydra lang. And like the Sokovia Accords. Sokovia Accords is more like the world, right? UN stuff.
UN, oo.
This one is national. Captain America 4, national. Yeah. Ano nga tawag? Captain America, Brave New World.
Brave New World.
Yeah. I
Nakakita sa
think,
ticket, bruh.
bro, I think it was supposed to be New World Order, but they changed it into Brave New World. So, kasi I think yung term na New World Order, ginamit na kasi yon sa Captain America 2. Hydra nagsabi nun. Eh, di ba wala nang Hydra? So, why
Mm.
would you use New World Order, which is a Hydra term, when Hydra is gone?
Dead.
Yeah, get dead na yung Hydra. Along with Shield, again, Shield is not here anymore.
Mga siguro remains ng Hydra.
Yeah, I mean,
Sobrang tira-tira.
yeah, I mean, you kill one head, two more grow back. Hydra shit.
Mm.
But yeah, I am pretty excited. Don't tell me about the spoilers. Alam mo yun, Tiamat na yun. Tanginang Tiamat. Tiamat. Hindi ko, tanda ko yun, sinabi lang, pero nakalimutan ko na. Eh kaso, tinitignan ko yung profile ni Danny Ramirez, yung bagong
Mm.
Falcon. Pag-swipe ko dun sa photo dump niya, may screenshot na parang picture nila ni Anthony Mackie, ni Captain America, ng overlooking si Tiamat. So I'm like, ano ba yan? Wala na. Wala
Wag
na. Na-spoil ko ng sarili ko. Oh, shoot, ang ina yan.
sino may kasalanan?
Ako, kasi chine-check ko yung profile ni Danny Ramirez. My God. Si Torres, that's his name.
Si
But I forgot
Torres?
his first name. Yeah. Torres lang kasi tawag sa The Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Like Torres, hey, and blah blah blah. Yeah. Oh yeah, Sharon is back in America as well. I don't know if you know that. I don't even know if she's gonna be there in Captain America. Alam mo ba kung nasan si Sharon? Kailan mo pa si
Nasaan?
Sharon?
Siya yung ano 'di ba, yung wait lang, yung niece ni Peggy?
Yeah,
Hmm,
na
na
hinalikan ni Captain America
ano, alam ko yun.
ni Steve.
Akala ko naman may something else pa.
Yeah, kasi 'di ba she went against the Sokovia Accords kasi tinulungan niya sila Captain America. So she
Mm.
had to run. And then tumakas siya sa Madripoor, which is like
Oh yeah, dun sa ano, wait, anong movie yun? Shang-Chi? Ay, wait, ano yun?
The Falcon and the Winter Soldier.
Ayun pa rin pala. Ba yan?
Yeah.
Series
Macau.
pala kasi.
Macau yung
Oh, sa
Shang-Chi.
Macau.
Ma kasi pa yung ma. Yeah.
Mm.
And then Sharon is bad now. She's a villain. So she's a power broker, which is like, and then she got back into the US as a CIA again, CIA agent.
Pero parang hindi naman siya totally villain dun sa parang sideline niya lang ata yun since yun yung
Sideline
work
lang
niya
yung plot
before.
niya. Sideline yung plot niya, pero siya na talaga si power broker. Siya yung hari. Siya yung
Oo.
hari sa Madripoor.
Pero like,
Yeah.
villain na ba siya or
Wala
hindi
wala
naman ata
he
siya
she
villain?
she doesn't believe in Captain America anymore, I feel like.
Eh, wala na, patay na, eh.
I mean, she doesn't believe in the shield
Bakit
anymore.
bakit niya i-bi-believe kung hinalikan niya
Steve.
si Steve?
Yeah. I don't know. I hope we see her in Captain America, but if not, then no. But we're probably gonna see her in Thunderbolts. We should be, right? Because the head of CIA is the girl. I forgot her name. I keep forgetting people. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. This is not your Pinoy MCU fan. Charot. Makakalimutan lang po talaga. Si Val.
Valerie.
Yeah, si Val. I
Mm.
forgot her name. It's si Val. Yeah, si Val. Si Val yun. Yeah.
Mahal ba?
Anyway, we're gonna see
Kalimutan ko
Val.
na.
She's the head of CIA because remember, Agent. Oh my god, I forgot his name. Si ano, yung sa Black Panther na white guy.
Oh, yeah, mm.
Si Agent. I feel like his name is also Agent Ross. I don't know.
Coulson.
No, that's a different white guy. That's a Shield agent, not a CIA. But
Oo nga pala.
yeah. So hopefully we're gonna see Sharon in the Thunderbolts because they're dealing with CIA and stuff.
Mm.
Oh my god, it's gonna be in May. Oh, February. Maybe May. Yeah. Anyway, may thoughts pa ba tayo? Dumaldal lang tayo na lang. Wala namang ka-Valentine's dito. Ang mahalaga, meron po kaming Valentine's Day episode. Ano? Ano na? I guess that's all. That's all that I have to
Yeah, that's
say.
all then.
Yeah, wala na kaming
Parang,
laway.
a lot of surprises din sa
Yeah.
upcoming releases. So,
Yeah.
parang for this year, it's a start lalo na from the ano, OG Avengers line, like Captain America, Iron Man, Thor. Parang since Captain America yung name, parang
It's a big
ah,
deal.
it's a big deal na you have
We have a
to
black Captain America. I love that
ayun,
for us.
mm.
I actually
Parang
love
ayun,
Sam. Yeah. And
parang
it's
something to look
Sam.
forward to talaga.
Yeah, and I think this is the first whole movie that we're gonna get from the TV show. Gets ba?
Yeah.
Like, diretso to eh. Diretso siya. So, I think this is a major movie that we're gonna have from a TV show. Kasi Multiverse of Madness is just half because WandaVision. And then Miss Marvel is also like two-thirds because The Marvels pala. The Marvels, the movie, is like two-thirds from the TV show, which is WandaVision and Miss Marvel. And
Mm.
then this one is a full TV show. Kasi galing siya The Falcon and then Winter Soldier, si Captain America 4. So that's a lot of exposition. Tama ba yung term? Madaming kailangan exposition gagawin sa movie na to. Kasi kalahati ng actors sa movie na to is galing sa TV show. So hopefully, they pull it off. Siguro yun lang yung nag-iisa kong thoughts about Captain America 4 is I hope that
You
they
pull it
pull
off.
off yung pagka-streamline ng story from the TV show to the movie. Because I don't even know. I mean, a lot of people watched Falcon and the Winter Soldier, but I don't know the ratio of like moviegoers TV show. So I
Mm.
hope it all goes well. And I hope our movie theater is gonna be fun. Damn, I want people shouting like, "Oh my god, it's Harrison Ford," or stuff like that. Yeah.
Baka nga
I miss going.
baka nga yung iba hindi kilala si Harrison Ford, eh, especially the younger audience.
Who is this old man? Dude, that's Indiana Jones.
Yeah, when did he came out ba?
Like, I don't know, 1980s?
Hmm, yung
1984? I don't know.
pre
Damn.
may movie din siyang may old movie rin siya before na president din siya.
Which one?
May movie siya na
Si Harrison
get
Ford mismo?
Get Off My Plane.
What the hell?
I forgot yung movie. Pero presidential, alam ko na hijack yung Air Force One ata yan.
Ah, na
Tapos
ano, parang
siya yung president.
political film din.
Alam ko
Oh.
president ata siya.
Oh,
Sorry if I'm
damn. We're
wrong.
gonna have I think his name is Giancarlo. We're gonna have him in Captain America 4 too. I don't know if you know that guy. He's one of the prominent actors in Breaking Bad. You don't know. Damn. But I know him from like I think he's also from Hannibal. I don't know. No, that's a different guy.
Hindi ako ma-serious eh. So, hindi ko
Damn, you don't know. But like I feel like Giancarlo is like a big deal. And I'm happy to see him in Captain America 4. But I feel like sana hindi na lang siya sa Captain America 4. Medyo yun yung feeling ko. Pero let's see. Hope all goes well and I hope the crowd is lit because we're gonna watch Captain America 4. I feel like if someone says Sam Wilson is not their Captain America, I'm gonna fight in the theater. I'm gonna riot.
ako
I'm
mismo
kidding.
magsasabi.
I just say that, but like I feel like it's gonna ruin the move for me, but like hopefully not.
Ako mismo magsasabi.
I'm gonna we're gonna on Valentine's Day you're gonna do that to me? How dare you? But yeah, I mean
I
the
got my part
times
na. Nakanood ako ng movie. Thank you.
bayad sa Venom. Kasi naman, nakaka-bad trip talaga pag naalala ko
Uy,
yung Venom.
lugi pa
Lugi.
ako. Director's Club tayo nun.
Nag-director's club kami. Venom.
Kasi on the spot Venom watch. Totally unplanned. So, hindi kami umabot sa
Yeah, the regular
regular
screening.
theaters. So,
Mhm.
ang next screening is nasa
Director's club.
Director's Club. Yung
Um,
IMAX matagal din. Parang last show na lang ating maabutan namin. Director's Club talaga yung within our time
yeah.
frame.
Sobrang lugi. Si
I
Venom. My
mean,
God. It was great though, seeing like the
yung
CGI. And I
seats
kinda
and
miss
all. I
Kinda
mean,
miss
yung
Venom too.
experience sa
So,
Director's Club,
it
maganda
was
pa rin.
maganda pa rin, yeah.
Pero
The
hindi siya
movie
worth it
itself,
sa movie.
hindi mo, parang hindi mo balance.
Mm.
Yeah, hindi siya quits. So,
I mean, if you
hopefully, quits na
have,
this time, yeah.
kung gusto mo na matulog, pwede na.
Oo, habang may bumubulong na Venom dyan. Or, Eddie. Mga ganun.
Eddie,
Yeah,
we
so,
are Venom.
oh yeah, me. But yeah, I guess, that's all. Wala na talaga laway. I have no thoughts, zero thoughts.
So, ano
Yeah.
lang, let's have something to look forward to.
Yeah, and happy Valentine's Day,
Happy
everyone.
Valentine's Day, guys.
Yeah, go watch Captain America: Brave New World out now. Wow, next weekend. Ah, Disney Plus, Disney Philippines. Please. Wow, please nagmakaawa siya. But yeah, please go watch it this weekend because we're gonna watch it. And I guess it's gonna be out for like the next few weeks or so. So
Mm.
it's not too late yet to watch Captain America. We're gonna see Sam, Sam Wilson, the Falcon.
Inisip ko sinong Sam.
Nakalimutan ko yung last name niya. Sam Wilson is Captain America. Chris Evans said that too. So yeah. Bye everyone.
Bye, guys.
Happy Valentine's.
Take care. Happy Valentine's.
Take care. Wow. Bye. Thanks for listening to the Pinoy MCU Fan. If you enjoyed this episode and you'd like to support the podcast, please share it with others, post about it on social media, or leave a rating and review. To connect with me, you can follow or message me on social media at the.PinoyMCUFan. The Pinoy MCU Fan is part of the Bunk Collective. Discover more podcasts at thebunkph.com and follow us on social media at thebunkph. That's it, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!